My daughter, you suddenly cut communications with me. Why?
Tell me where I can drop these evil beads.
Why do you want to drop the beads? Don't you want to have children?
I will have children for my husband at God's own time. But please, tell me where I can drop the beads. I no longer have use for them.
For you to drop the beads, you have to embark on a very long journey to the mountain of Azara.
Sorry, where?
Surprised? Well, I wanted you to have children. But I wonder why you decided to trade the same beads that I went so far to get.
Light and darkness have nothing in common. I will have children for my husband at God's own time.
And I am not going to let you have that easily.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.